Hi everyone, just a quick update. So, when you do these bigger boards, what you need to make sure you leave 3-4 mm expansion gaps to allow boards to move. And also when you go against the wall, leave 10 mm. You don't want to be touching. So this is the base. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put damp-proof membrane, and then we're going to put Celotex on top, and then we're going to have to repeat the process, but we're going to use tongue and groove boards with PU glue and screw it through into the joist. So that's what we're doing next. So hope it helps, and we'll catch you very soon. The main car is what we've done, the fiberglass. We could do a separate video just as a sample for you on how to do it. Really the main surface needs to be really dry, dust free. That's the main. All the joints and the boards need to be bandaged. Fiberglass trim, which is about 70 to 100 mm wide. Then all the trims need to be tacked with pins. They need to be stuck to the timber as a support. Well, Dan is going to be painting it, which is like a finishing colour, because the strength is in the mat and the resin itself, and the colour just finishes up really. So yeah, that's what you're going to see today, and if you do want us to film it, how to do it from start to finish, comment below.